Hi guys, CJMinecraft here. Welcome to another Minecraft modding tutorial. Today I'm going to teach you how to use the OR dictionary. Now, the OR dictionary is basically like a library where you can access all the different ORs. So say you've got the mod called Mechanism. Mechanism adds copper, and say you've added copper as well. You want the recipes to be intertwined, so basically your copper works with their recipes and vice versa. And that's how the OR dictionary works. It uses that. So, I'm going to first create a new class called the OR dictionary handler, like so. And this class is just going to have a simple method. It's a public static void register OR dictionary. And we're going to register our OR dictionary stuff in here. So I'm just going to register our ingot and our blocks. OR dictionary dot register OR. Now it can be a block, an item, or an item stack. So I'm going to register with the name ingot tin. So it's a tin ingot, and the item is mod items tin ingot. Now, they normally have this prefix ingot. So ingot. There'll be a link in the description to a website that says all different prefixes. So I'm going to add another OR dictionary, and we're going to register a block, and it's going to be OR tin mod blocks dot tin OR. I'm also going to add an OR dictionary for the chips. Each of the chips are OR dictionary dot register OR. Now this one's going to have to be an item stack, so I'm going to call it chip basic, and that's a new item stack. Open it up, press Control Space there, and we want this one with the metadata. So mod items dot chip amount 1 meta 0, and we're going to do that for the advanced chip as well. So chip advanced, that's with a damage of 1, and like so. We need to now call this in our bit of everything. Now this has to be called in the initialization area. So OR dictionary handler dot register OR dictionary. Now to use this, we need to have, well, we can utilize other mods or dictionary stuff. So we're going to go over to the recipe manager, and I've just got some methods here for the armor and the tools, registering of the methods. So I'm just going to put here, and basically I'm now going to make it so it uses the OR dictionary for the tin. So if you change the first one to tin, ingot tin, and then on the end we need a stick, so I'm just going to call it wood stick. I think is the OR dictionary for a stick. And we're going to do the same for the armor, where it says tin ingot. I'm just going to replace it with a string ingot tin. I'll just utilize these methods that I've got down here, which just registered the recipe. Now I'm going to make a recipe for the block breakers. So game registry dot add recipe, and it's going to be a new iRecipe one. So it's a new shaped OR dictionary recipe. So shaped OR recipe, which means that it's got an OR dictionary recipe, and it's going to be an item stack result. So it's a new item stack. Open it up, mod blocks dot, and we're going to have the breaker with the amount 1 and the damage 0. So this is the basic one. Now the recipe is like our normal recipe, so new object array. Open it up, and just going to put the recipe in here. So I'm going to have a pickaxe on top. I'm going to have redstone. So redstone And I think I'll have iron block redstone, then tin on the bottom. So we're going to say that P is just going to be a stone pickaxe. So items dot stone pickaxe. We're going to say that R, which is redstone. Now just put in string, which is the or dictionary name. So for redstone, it's just redstone. And then for I, it's going to be iron. So mod blocks dot iron block. And finally, you've got T, which is going to be the tin. So ingot tin. This doesn't work with smelting recipes, but it does work with shapeless recipes as well. So if you just change shape to shapeless, and then that should work as well. But as it's a shaped recipe. So we can now load up our game, and everything should now work. Okay, so the game is loaded up. So let's go inside of our test world, and hopefully we'll be able to see the recipes working for the pickaxes. Also, we should be able to do bits of it. No, still bit of everything. Great. That's how to use the OR dictionary. Now, OR dictionary is really useful for integrating with other mods without directly actually having the mod. The OR dictionary just makes it a whole lot easier to make methods. So that means that we can actually create armor using this fun ores tin, which is actually quite cool because this mod doesn't actually add armor in it. And you can even do a mix and match. So like, say you want to do a bit of that. Say you got multiple different ores when mining. There you go, you got a tin helmet. And I think that's really cool that you can do that. And that's an achievement. Tin Man, guys. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. I am out.